Creating an artificial intelligence AI involves several steps, encompassing both the conceptual framework and the technical implementation. Here's a high-level overview of the process. Define objectives and requirements. Problem definition. Clearly outline the problem you want the AI to solve. Objectives. Determine what success looks like for your AI application. Constraints. Identify any limitations such as data availability, computational resources, and ethical considerations. 2. Data collection and preparation. Data gathering. Collect relevant data from various sources. This could be structured data, like databases, or unstructured data, like text, images, videos. Data cleaning. Remove inconsistencies and errors in the data. Data pre-processing. Normalize, scale, and transform the data into a format suitable for model training. Data annotation. Label the data if supervised learning is required. 3. Model selection. Algorithm choice. Choose the appropriate machine learning algorithm, e.g., regression, classification, clustering, neural networks. Framework selection. Select a machine learning framework, e.g., TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn. 4. Model training. Split data. Divide the data into training, validation, and test sets. Train the model. Use the training data to teach the model. This involves feeding the data into the model and adjusting the model parameters to minimize errors. Hyperparameter tuning. Adjust the hyperparameters to optimize the model's performance. This can be done using techniques like grid search or random search. 5. Model evaluation. Validation. Evaluate the model using the validation dataset to tune parameters and prevent overfitting. Testing. Assess the model's performance on the test dataset to determine how well it generalizes to unseen data. Metrics. Use performance metrics such as accuracy, precision, recall, F1 score, ROC-A for classification tasks, or mean squared error, R-squared for regression tasks. 6. Model deployment. Integration. Integrate the trained model into the target application or system. API development. Develop APIs for the model if it needs to be accessed by other services. Optimization. Optimize the model for inference, which may include techniques like model quantization or pruning. 7. Monitoring and maintenance. Performance monitoring. Continuously monitor the model's performance in the real-world environment. Feedback loop. Implement mechanisms for collecting feedback and retraining the model as new data becomes available. Maintenance. Regularly update and maintain the model to handle data drift and changing requirements. 8. Ethical and regulatory compliance. Bias and fairness. Ensure the model does not exhibit harmful biases. Privacy. Protect user data and ensure compliance with data privacy regulations, e.g. GDPR, CCPA. Transparency. Maintain transparency in how the AI decisions are made, especially in sensitive applications. Tools and technologies. Programming languages. Python, R, libraries, TensorFlow, PyTorch, scikit-learn, Keras. Data tools, Pandas, NumPy, OpenCV for images, NLTK SpaCy for text. Development environments, Jupyter Notebook, Google Colab. Deployment platforms, AWS SageMaker, Google AI Platform, Azure ML. This procedure outlines a general approach, but specific steps may vary based on the nature of the AI application and the methodologies chosen by the development team.